Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to pay with Revolut virtual card. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Revolut on your phone, then click on Get Card right here. Then you should choose Virtual Debit Card, and now you'll have to choose its color and give it a name like this. Then click on Create Card, and now you should go and open the settings of your phone and search for Pay. Now you will get all the cards that you have added. Now click on Add Card, then click on Debit or Credit Card, then go click on Continue, and now go and take every details of the virtual card that you have created on Revolut and paste it inside the card requirements in the pay section that I have showed you half minute earlier. And after you add the expiration date and security code, this is how you can actually pay something with your own virtual card on Revolut. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.